We will make a few years the golden age of infrastructure in the Philippines. In other words, we are going to build, and build.
At dahil dyan paparating na ang incredible na solusyon, ang Metro Manila Subway. Incredible ang scale ng Metro Manila Subway. Magmumula ito sa North Avenue hanggang FTI, NAIA Terminal 3 at konektado rin sa Central Business Districts. Ito ay interconnected din sa LRT1, LRT2, MRT3, MRT7 at PNR. Incredible ang bilis na hanggang 80 kilometers per hour. Imagine, nasa 31 minutes na lang ang magiging biyahe mo mula North Avenue hanggang NAIA Terminal 3 o FTI. Incredible ang technology! Advanced Japanese technology kasi ang gagamitin tulad ng sa Japan Railway System at meron din platform screen doors. Incredible ang accessibility dahil interconnected ito sa mga linya ng MRT, LRT at PNR, gaya ng sa North Avenue, Anonas, FTI at Lotan West stations. Connected din ang mga stations sa iba pang public transport terminals tulad ng bus, jeep at taxi. Kaya mas mabilis mo nang mararating ang anumang destinasyon sa Kamaynilaan. Incredible ang safety dahil flood resilient ito kahit pa sa mga bahaing lugar. Ito rin ay earthquake resistant at malayo sa fault lines. Incredible na long-lasting. Ang depot ng subway ang magiging center of maintenance at magiging lugar ng Philippine Railway Institute na siyang maniniguradong tama at pangmatagalan ang magiging operation at maintenance ng subway at iba pang linya ng tren. Hindi ito drawing dahil magbubukas ang partial operability section ang unang 3 stations ng subway na nasa Quirino Highway, Tandang-Sora at North Avenue sa 2022. Isa lang ang hinihingi namin sa bawat Pilipino, unstoppable support at cooperation para sa pagbabagong paparating na para sa kinabukasan natin. Paparating na ang pagbabago. Ang susunod na istasyon ay Pag-unlad.
This is the real deal, the real McCoy. We are on an actual subway station construction site, and this will also happen in the Philippines in a few months' time. Pumasyal kami nung staff ko sa Tokyo Metro Learning Institute.
Nakita mo?
Yun yung sabi mo sa akin, nakita ko. Ganun ba yung dadalhin mo sa...
Ganun ang dadalhin natin. Ganon. In fact, yung mga nakita mo ba yung mga simulator doon? Ibibigay sa atin yung grant. So yung the Railroad Institute na itatayo natin, kung anong nakita mo, yung mga simulations doon, ganun din ho ang bibitbitin natin papunta sa Pilipinas.
Mock-up tunnel,
Yes.
mock-up railway.
Yes. Actually, I designed this tunnel.
You designed this. very, very good design. So it's not only textbook, but they can also experience the mock-up.
Yes. It is very important.
Welcome to the subway. Let's go to Ginza line over there. And this is lost and found.
Yeah.
It could be a pet, it could be anything. They have a lost and found room. And a room also for the PWDs, or persons with disabilities.
See-through toilets. This is a training tool for architecture.
Oh, it's real. What you're looking at is a mock-up subway station. And this is the training facility here in Tokyo. So basically, this is what we hope to accomplish in the Philippines.
That's great.
Nasa isang train simulator po tayo dito sa Learning Center sa Tokyo. At subukan ko maging piloto, maging driver ng train. Si ambassador ng konduktor ko. like it's real. Mr. Ambassador, we're going to Makati. Okay, go back to your residence, okay, in Makati. Welcome to Quezon City train station. This is very possible in the Philippines. It will happen within the Duterte administration, sabi ni Secretary Tugade. And the Japanese government is helping us. They are the ones spearheading the training and also the construction of the subway or the metro in the Philippines. The first one will be in Metro Manila. Nabanggit mo na from 77 kilometers of railway.
Katapusan, gusto natin mong mangyari dyan.
Oh.
Matutumbok natin yung 1,900 kilometers.
1,900 kilometers. Napaka...
Yung Mindanao ho, 600. Yung sa Bicol ho, 600 dyan. Maumpisahan yan. Yung sa kapaligiran ng Tutuban, pag sumahin mo yan, aabot ka ng tinatarget namin mga 1,900.
So within our lifetime, at least magkakaroon tayo, matitikman, mararanasan natin na makasakay ng subway sa Quezon City.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Oo naman. Yun ho, hangarin ho ng Pangulo at bibigyan katuparan natin yung hangarin ng Pangulo.